Umkhwanazi uthi ngobusuku okwabulawa ngabo uEmmanuel Mbenze washayelwa ucingo nguYakho Hanekom ngezithuba zehora lesibili entathakusa emtshela ukuthi aphuthume endaweni yesigameko ezozibonela umkhankaso obeyimpumelelo wokushaqwa kwempahla yebiwe.
You are called, you are told about success. You do not ask whose success, you do not ask whose operation, you do not ask who's there. You just up and go. Do you want us to believe that?
Umkhwanazi uthi wayengazi ukuthi babembizela la okwabulawa khona uMbenze. Uthi akawabonanga amaphoyisa omkhandlo wasekuruleni endaweni yesigameko.
You knew from EMPD who is there. If you didn't ask, it's because you saw them. You knew who it was that is there, and you're being untruthful about it. And in fact, I want to go on to say, that is why in your statement, you don't mention any name whatsoever other than Yakho.
Uwitness D wathi umkhwanazi nguyena owathi isidumbu sikaMbenze asilahlwe emfuleni. Umkhwanazi uyakuphika lokhu.
My simple question is, if you were never there and you never saw him, why would he implicate you in something so serious? I mean, this is serious, you know, dumping a human being's body in a dam. It's not like stealing money or stealing stones. It's a human being.
Yes, and I don't want to bring other elements. I'm denying it. I've never been part of such things in my life. I've never. I don't believe in violence. I believe in another form of engagement in solving things. I've been like that.
Ikhomishana ithi akulona iqiniso ukuthi umkhwanazi akazi ukuthi kwenzekani ngosuku okwabulawa ngalo uMbenze.
Your evidence is as sparse as it is on this subject because you do not want to tell us what you actually know and what actually happened. That is why your evidence is as sparse as it is and is as senseless as it is.
Isicau sizoqhubeka kusasa.